Pure plant life has its origins in the early 19th century, when vegetarianism began to gain popularity among some intellectuals and philosophers, particularly influenced by religious beliefs such as Christianity. It was largely seen as a way to reduce meat consumption for health reasons or moral grounds. The first organized vegetarian societies formed in England around 1800, with groups like the London Vegetarian Society contributing to the establishment of dietary guidelines based on plant-based foods. By the late 19th century, studies began to link excessive meat consumption to heart disease and other ailments, leading to more scientific research supporting a diet that emphasizes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and legumes over animal products. Key developments include the publication of influential vegetarian texts such as the Gospel of Vegetarianism in 1895 by Harvey Hubbell III, which promoted plant-based diets for health reasons. The popularity continued to rise throughout the 20th century, driven by growing concerns about environmental impact and the ethical treatment of animals, with some countries like India implementing vegetarian policies as part of their dietary recommendations. Over time, the pure plant life movement has expanded globally, influencing major industries such as food production and retail sectors. For instance, in developed nations where demand for vegan options is high, companies have responded by creating more diverse and accessible plant-based products, catering to both health-conscious individuals and those simply trying out new eating habits. According to a 2019 survey conducted by the Vegetarian Resource Group, nearly 1/3 of Americans reported being vegetarian or vegan, at least occasionally, demonstrating significant consumer interest in alternative diets. The benefits include reduced environmental impact due to decreased deforestation for livestock feed, lower greenhouse gas emissions from animal agriculture, and improved health outcomes related to chronic diseases associated with meat consumption. However, drawbacks such as potential micronutrient deficiencies, if not planned carefully, have emerged, necessitating education about proper meal planning and supplementation. Despite these challenges, the pure plant life movement continues to evolve and incorporate more scientific research into its practices. Looking forward through 2050, projections suggest that continued advancements in sustainable agriculture, coupled with increased public awareness, will likely accelerate adoption rates of pure plant lifestyles. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization predicts a shift towards more diverse diets across the globe as younger generations increasingly prioritize health and environmental sustainability over traditional meat consumption patterns. As technological innovations improve food production efficiency and nutritional supplementation options, it is expected that even greater acceptance of plant-based alternatives will occur globally. Future optimization could involve further research into innovative cultivation methods for certain produce like leafy grains or micrograins to maximize yield per unit area while reducing water usage and carbon footprint. Additionally, expanding global initiatives promoting educational programs about balanced vegan diets can help mitigate potential nutritional risks among populations that transition from traditional meat-heavy diets.